Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a bundle of gaming and gamer t-shirt design in 4 different format. First format is in EPS, PNG, PSD and SVG. So you can add easily and you can apply. Do not be emotional. So game over, you can see, or you can add. I am party a big gamer. Game zone. So here is 50 files in different format. You can add, you can adjust, and you can change. So I have already opened a t-shirt front and back, and I apply here game logo. So I see here in t-shirt design, double click here, and I drag any or it is logo, drag here. I tell you, just for example, this is Moco file. Saving, and you see here you can apply, and you can change any color. Go. Okay. Undo. We close this file and apply here in front. You can change color, but these files paid. So I like this designs, and this is front. Double click here. No. Label both. Apply any PNG file. Let's play the game. Press S for saving. Oh, here you can see, or you can adjust. Enter and then Control S. Wow. So you can apply, and you can add easily. Here is the best, and start the mission. For example, I add this file, drag to Photoshop PSD file here, and you see here in group background color, you can change background color, or you can apply any gradients overlay. Okay, I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.